Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. Excuse my face right now, I'm currently at home chilling with baby for the day, so I thought I'd just be like really chill and casual and no makeup, so that's why I'm not wearing any makeup in this video. But today it's very, very exciting because I just got the delivery of my new pushchair. It's in the box just behind me, just there. I'm going to do a little unboxing and like sort of a mini review before I take it out and about. And I thought it'd be quite nice if I filmed unboxing it and putting it together so you guys could see how easy it is or how hard it is to put it together and whatnot. Baby is currently sitting right there in her little rocking chair, so if you hear any little coos and ahs and things, then that's her. She's trying to talk to me. So I have bought the Joie Versatrax pushchair. I've only got the frame and the chair. I haven't actually got the carry cot attachment and the car seat attachment because I don't need it. As you can see here, this is the box that it came in, and you can see at the bottom there it's got the carry cot bit, the car seat, and the different ways you can put the chair. I've only got the frame and the chair because little baby doesn't like lying down in the carry cot when we go out and about. And I have also bought a different car seat, the Joie Spin Safe, that has also come today. So this is the box. It's quite a thin box, as you can see, like considering it's supposed to be a travel system, it's really nice and compact, which is what I like. That's why I bought it, because the one we got at the minute, our travel system is rather large and it takes up our whole boot. Are you talking to mummy? Are you talking to mummy? Huh? Yeah. Oh, you pretty girl. So yeah, like I said, the travel system we've got at the minute is really good. It's the Infobaby Ultimo. It's a really good travel system, and it's really, really good for like all-terrain, and you know, the wheels are humongous, but it is quite large. So when we use it and like go out and about in the car with it, it takes up the whole of our boot. So we can't really get anything else in the boot, and we have to take the parcel shelf out as well. And also, baby girl doesn't like to be laid down when we're going out and about. She likes to be kind of sat up a little bit, just because she likes to be nosy. So we don't use the carry cot, and we also bought a different car seat, so we won't use the car seat now either that it came with. So I don't really see the point in having this massive travel system that you have to like detach everything to fold it down. Like you have to take the seat off the frame to fold it down, to put it in the car, take up loads of room if we're only using 2 parts of the 4 parts. So she thinks I'm hilarious. So I bought this one because when you attach the seat to it, you can fold the seat down with the frame and it folds up quite compact. She's talking to me. So yeah, I wanted a more compact pushchair for Madam. So I'm going to show you the unboxing now. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I don't know. So this looks like we have a rain cover with it. So that's handy. I thought I was going to have to buy a rain cover separate because it didn't say on the website that it came with a rain cover. It probably did, but I probably didn't read it very well. So rain cover, lovely. I don't know how I'm going to get this out. Nice thick book, instruction book. So I think I'm just going to have to pull it. Oh god. Jeez. Okay, I can use that as my rubbish box. Right, so we have a wheel. That's a really nice wheel. These are the front wheels because they're slightly smaller, and then these are the bigger wheels, which are for the back. Everything's packaged in a lot of plastic, which sometimes is a good thing because it keeps everything protected so it doesn't get scratched. But then also it's a lot of plastic and that's a waste, so okie dokie. So we have the big back wheels and the front wheels, which are still quite big, and they are proper hard tyres, which is nice. They're foam filled as well, so you won't get a puncture.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
The hood just pops on with a couple of poppers on the back of the pushchair, and then you have these little plastic bits on each side of the hood, and then you've got little slots in the chair that you have to click them into. Okay, so this is the pushchair, and we can't forget the cup holder. Okay, so I'm just going to give you some close-ups of the pushchair. It's got a lovely faux leather handle and a matching handle for Beba. It has a cup holder, very important. This is the chair. It is really quite big, and you can adjust it to different heights for Beba. It's got a simple brake, lovely. It's got lovely big foam filled wheels here. Got a huge basket underneath, really big, with a few extra pockets at the back. It's got a zip one and like another cup holder one. It's got a peekaboo window to see Bubba. The hood is quite big as it is, to be honest, but you can, hang on, you can unzip it and it extends even further, and it has vents. So that's really good for shade, and the hood is FPS 50 protection, which is nice. Got a lovely big 5-point harness here to keep Bubba safe. The handlebar is super easy to extend. You have to pull these levers up on the side here, and it goes really high. Look how high that goes. It goes right up to my boobs. For reference, I'm 5'6", so that's pretty high. I think I'll prefer it down here though, about waist height. Nice. To move the seat from this position to forward facing, you have these two levers on the side here, these little grey ones. So you just pull these towards you and then just lift the chair up, and then obviously spin it around and then clip it back in. But I want it this way round so I can see baby. And to move the handle, there's just a little grey button just under this bit here, so you can either move one or both of them. Completely up to you. Right, I want to try baby in it now. Right, let's unbuckle it. Let's see how this fits, Bubba. Oh, and before I try baby in it, I just want to show you really quick. The back here, there's a lever, this thing. You pull it up and you can recline it or sit the chair up. But I want to recline it because my baby's only 2 months old, so she needs to be in the lay flat position. You gonna try your new wheels? Yeah? Come on in. Oh, look at this. Check you out, Bubba. Huh? Let's clip you in. So baby's in. Let's tighten you up a bit, Bubba. Come here. There's that one. There's little straps on the side here that you just pull to tighten it up. Oh, Bubba. Oh, that's as tight as it goes. I can't get it any tighter than that. It's still quite loose, but it's not like we're going to go running down the road, is it? So I have put the straps up a notch, just because the ones down a notch looked a bit too like under her shoulder, but they look too above her shoulder now, but she'll grow into it, it'll be fine. So yeah, this is what she looks like. Baby girl is 2 months old, so she's got plenty of growing room. And this is the hood with the extended bit. So she is proper shady now. So there's 2 buttons on the side here that you can press, and the foot part comes up and down. It does, doesn't it, Baba? You look so comfy in your new pushchair, baby. You do. Look at you. It's really easy to push as well. Woo! Okay, so I think I figured it out. I'm just going to show you really quick how you collapse the pushchair and how you get it back up again. So the clip here, this back clip here that moves the chair up and down, do that so it's completely folded over. I can't get it to fold any further than that though. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like, 'cause it's supposed to go all the way around, isn't it? Like, it won't go any further than that, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But then you just grab this handle here, and I just go like that. I don't really know. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more finessing.
Yeah, and I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. No, I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No.
I just want to really quickly show you as well that it does come with 2 of these adapters that you can click onto the sides where the seat connects, so you can use the carry cot edition or the car seat edition for the Joie Versatrax pushchair. So you do get these, you don't have to pay these extra, but you do have to buy the carry cot or the car seat extra. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope it was a little bit informative, but I have only just got this pushchair, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit more finessing of the folding down and erecting function. I can't quite get the seat to fully go like all the way down like it's supposed to. It kind of goes like horizontal, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more finessing, maybe watch some of the Joie videos on their website to see how they do it. But yeah, but so far I'm very, very pleased with this pushchair. Sorry for the mess, and if you heard baby girl cooing and ahhing throughout the video, she was in the same room as me, so tough. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!
We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more.